An immersion blender is one of the handiest tools in your kitchen because it can be used to puree, blend, mash, or whisk your food without moving it to a different blending container. It is shaped like a wand with blades at the bottom, so you can insert it into any cooking vessel you're using and blend your food without having to dirty another dish. Immersion blenders are also known as stick blenders, handheld blenders, and wand blenders. There are many products available for hand blender to choose from, each with different quality features, benefits and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best hand blender from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. Don't forget to check my description for price and other information. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Breville BSB 510 XL Control Grip Immersion Blender. The Breville Immersion Blender is one of the best you can buy, and that fact is reflected in the price. Although it's a bit more expensive than the Braun, it also has better durability. The casing is sturdier, and the comfort grip handle is ergonomically designed to be easy to hold and grip, even with wet hands. This immersion blender has a bell-shaped wand that leads to less suction when blending. If you've used an immersion blender before, you'll know that the suction can lead to a lot of splatter which sends your soup flying onto the surrounding countertops. Number 2. Cuisinart CSB 179 Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender. This hand blender from Cuisinart has 200 watts of power and 2 speed settings. I've been using this smart stick for almost 8 years now and it's never failed me. It's easy to take apart at the middle, so you can attach it quickly to the chopper or to the stick blade. There's a 3-cup chopping cup attachment is a great accessory to have. I like that I don't have to get out the food processor to do lightweight chopping, especially when I'm making a soup for 2. I can do the chopping in the cup attachment and then switch to the stick and blend the soup. I also like that it's stainless steel construction. I think that makes it really easy to clean. I just wipe it down after using it. It's pretty powerful, though not nearly as powerful as the Braun that I mentioned above, and it doesn't have dozens of speeds like the Braun or the Breville, but the 2 speeds are generally all I ever need. Number 3. KitchenAid KHB 2351 CU 3-speed hand blender. This KitchenAid is a great immersion blender. It's simply one of the best blenders we've used. It includes a 3-cup blending jar with a lid. The cup is not a take-and-go bottle. The 5-speed version is the overall power horse. It can do just about anything. It includes a 3-cup blending pitcher, 3-cup jar, an 83 blending arm, a whisk and chopper attachment, and a storage case. It also comes with a handy kit bag. Number 4. Braun MQ5025 Hand Blender Multi-Quick Vario. The Braun Multi-Quick 5 is a very powerful handheld blender with 400 W of power and 21 distinct speeds. It's one of the most powerful handheld blenders you can find. If you're going to blending solid foods, you'll need that power to get a smooth puree. Multiple speeds are useful to get the right amount of power for the food you're blending, but you do have to hold down the button while blending. What I personally like the most about the Braun is the uniquely shaped blending shaft, because it reduces suction, which often creates splatter. The groove design makes it much easier for the blender to grasp food and blend it. You might not think this is a huge benefit, but it is. Foods are pureed finer with this style of blade. The other great thing about the Braun is that the attachments have an easy click system that makes them so easy to take off and put on. You won't be fumbling with the accessories. You just have to push the buttons on the side to remove one and do the same to put on another. Number 5. Braun MQ7035 X3-in-1 Immersion Hand Single Hand Operation. The world's first easy smart speed technology. No predefined speed settings, just follow your intuition for the results you want. Push gently for roughly chopped results, and increase the push of the button for finer results. Faster, finer results. The world's first active blade technology incorporates a flexible shaft that moves the blade up and down, resulting in a more active cutting surface. This motion gives you flavorful, smoother results with no unwanted pieces. Splashing is under control. Advanced splash control technology prevents splashing and delivers the best blending results to keep you and your kitchen clean. The MQ7 has less suction for effortless handling and perfect control. Extra blade for extra power. The patented Power Bell Plus features an extra milling blade to provide more slices per rotation, blending large pieces and hard ingredients. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily. To get more information or if you want to know product price, do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.